Welcome, today I am with REALME GT Master Edition and I'll show you how you can customize your always in display. So at the first we have to go for the settings, home screen, lock screen and always in display. That's the place that we have to enter. Scroll down at the bottom, select always in display. At the first we can change the display options. So we can go for the power saving, schedule or all day. You can decide. Here we can change the theme of our always in display. I would like to pick this digital clock. Here we can change color of this text and adjust notifications. I'm going to get notifications and I'm going to remove date. Click apply and take a look right now. As you can see, that's how you can customize always in display in this smartphone. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.